Hey guys, it's Risa. How you doing? So today I decided to buy some rhubarb, fresh rhubarb. So I bought 6 large stalks of it, cut it up. This is probably about 2 cups worth and about a half a cup of water. And I probably used about 2 cups of frozen strawberries to make strawberry rhubarb. Depending on how sweet you like it, you can add any kind of sugar. I used some stevia and probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons. I like it sweet, but if you don't like it sweet, you don't have to add as much. Again, you can use monk sugar, which is a natural sugar, swerve, brown sugar. Okay, and I squeezed in about a half a lemon. That's optional. It gives a little bit of tartness to it. And this is fabulous for dessert. You can have it just like that on yogurt with some sour cream, with some Cool Whip. You can make muffins with it. You can keep it frozen for a long time. Just have it in a good sealed container and just cook it on a low heat and you have delicious rhubarb. You could add the strawberry if you want. I love strawberry and rhubarb together, but you could just have rhubarb, and it makes an amazing sauce, side dish, snack, okay, breakfast, anytime you can really enjoy rhubarb. So easy on a low heat. You can put it in your slow cooker as well. And simple, easy idea. Really, really delicious and filling. So I hope you like this video. Short and sweet, but super healthy. And I hope you come visit me on my Facebook group, Weight Watchers Tips and Recipes by Risa. Again, I just buy these strawberries at Costco. You can get them at Walmart, big bags, keep them in your freezer. All right, take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Risa Weiner YouTube.